Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making an avocado sandwich. Doesn't that look delicious? Really simple. Sourdough bread, avocado, tomato, green leaf lettuce, mayo, mustard. Very simple, can't go wrong, very tasty. Again, today I'm going to be using my panini press. Again, you can find these anywhere. They're cheap. If you want to buy a new one, that's up to you. But you gotta have one of these. They make a sandwich take on a different dimension. Okay, here's our avocado. Nice, big, large size. We'll see this little nipple here. If you flick that nipple off, if it comes off really easy, it's 90% ripe. If it's a little hard to get off, it means that the avocado is not quite ready. Okay, let's cut it up and see what's inside. There's a big seed in there, so you're going to have to cut around it. And usually you can twist it off or just come apart. This one looks like it was ready. Got that big seed there. Look how nice it looks inside. That's what it's supposed to look like. Now what you can do is you can take your knife and tap that seed. They call it a rock. And you twist it, and that seed should just come right out. Just be careful you don't, accidentally cut your hand. Then we're going to slice it about 1/4 inch or so. You just kind of work your way around the avocado there, top to bottom. You'll see what I do, how you remove it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get your spoon and you're just going to scoop the whole thing out. Just go ahead and scoop the bottom so the spoon touches the skin. And it just comes out really easy. And you've got your slices already cut. Pretty simple, pretty quick. Just like that. Doesn't it look good? Okay, we're going to start out with some mustard, with some Best Food mayonnaise, some avocados, some Roma tomatoes, some green leaf lettuce, some Himalayan pink salt, some coarse ground pepper, some melted salted butter, and some sourdough bread. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to butter our bread on both sides with the melted butter. Buttering on both sides will make it crunchy, tasty, and it won't be so dry when you take it out of the panini press. You have to put a lot, just make sure you get good coverage. Just pop them in there and go ahead and shut it. And it should take about 2 or 3 minutes. That's what they look like when they come out. They're crunchy on the outside but soft in the inside. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and put some Best Food mayonnaise on it. I love Best Foods. It's the only mayonnaise I really like. Anyway, just go ahead and put mayonnaise on both sides of your bread as much as you like. Then go ahead and put your mustard. I only usually put mustard on one side of my bread. Then we're going to add our green leaf lettuce. Again, what makes this sandwich really good is using fresh ingredients, and I like a good crunchy green leafy lettuce, and green leaf lettuce usually suffices. Next we put our Roma tomatoes. Again, use Roma tomatoes because they are more flavorful than a regular tomato. And then we're just going to go ahead and add our Himalayan salt. I advise you to, look up Himalayan pink salt. It's got a lot of, trace elements that are really good for you, better than regular salt. Now we're going to go ahead and add our avocados. We're getting really close, guys, and I'm really hungry. It's starting to look really good right now. This is only a half an avocado too, by the way. So one good size avocado can make, 2 sandwiches just like this. Anyway, just go ahead and put your other slice on top, and let's get that thing cut. Yeah. Again, bread's crispy on the outside but soft on the inside. And just look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Fresh lettuce, fresh tomatoes, fresh avocado. I'm telling you, this tastes delicious. And again, like I said, I'm hungry. Well, guys, thanks for tuning in, and please like and subscribe. Until then, I'll talk to you later.